Hi everyone, my name is Chaminda Jayasuriya. Today I'll be discussing how financial and operational factors impact the performance of home healthcare providers in UK, focusing on data-driven analysis from 2013 to 2023. So our goal here is to examine trend, correlation, and implication on 10 top UK healthcare providers. This analysis is especially relevant as UK healthcare industry the face growing demand and financial challenges. Throughout, I will highlight how these analytics can guide strategic decision and making in sector. For the this course, I have analysis 5 articles. The one is real world data analysis fit for regular discussion making, that's focused on healthcare. And second one is data analytics companies for providing firm decision making and performance, that is focused on business. The transforming discussion making process as per the research agenda and for the understanding the impact of business analytics organization that is focused on business and big data analytics capability of decision making performance engagement market that is focusing on emerging market firms. The examining of the potential of textual big data and analysis of the public policy decision making that is focused on public policy. So these 5 articles illustrate application of business analytics across the retail industry, from tracking customer behavior to inventory management and ultimate decision making for business strategic growth. The business analytics has transformed how industries like healthcare approach decision making. By analyzing historical data, healthcare providers can identify trend, diagnose issues, and make future predictions. There are 4 primary types of analytics we focus on. First one, descriptive, which is tell us what happened. Diagnosis, which diagnose is why. And predictive, the focused in future trend. And prescriptive, which recommend actions. In healthcare, these insights are crucial for enhancing patient outcome, reducing costs, and staying competitive. This framework of analytics will guide for uh, analysis in presentation. This slide provides a snapshot of financial performance of 10 leading UK healthcare providers. The revenue, steady growth with significant increase in 2021 and 2022. The profitability, the fluctuating with some years showing loss. Assets, a stable net tangible asset with a slight increasing in 2022. The profit margin varied with higher margin in 2013 and 2018. The workforce fluctuating employee number with peak in 2015. Investor confidence, increasing shareholders funds, especially in 2021 and 2022. The overall, these healthcare providers have shown resilience and growth. However, the maintaining profitability and managing cost will be crucial for future success. This slide look at some core metrics we analyze for the healthcare providers. We focus on 6 key areas: employee count, turnover, profit, loss before tax, net tangible asset, and shareholders fund, and profitable margin. And we found high variability in number of employee and turnover, with some very large providers pulling the average gap. Interestingly, the profit before tax indicate tendency toward loss among smaller providers, uncovering the challenge faced by a firm with few resources. These metrics provide foundation assess for financial health and optional scale providers. In this slide, we deep into the data description with summary statistics. Mean, median, and mode help us understand central tendency. For instance, the large gap between the mean and median turnover and employee number of indicates skew due to large outlier. The variability as shown by the range of variance shows significant difference across the firm, which may reflect different business model, and scale of operations. Finally, the high skew and curves of the turnover, the profit revenue, and only few large firms and driven up these metrics. These countries help understanding the equipment distribution pattern in healthcare sector. To move into the predictive analytics, we use correlation analysis to explore relationship among these variables. The strong positive correlation we found was between turnover and uh, shareholders' funds, the 0.87, meaning that higher revenue of correlation with great equity and tangible assets. Other strong relationships include turnover with employee numbers 0.71 and net tangible assets 0.78. However, we also observed moderate correlation between turnover and profit, suggesting that higher revenue does not necessarily translate to higher profit for some firms. This correlation hints at the complexity of profitability in this sector, influenced by factors beyond mm, more revenue and growth. Let's summarize some key takeaways from correlation analysis. First, while turnover correlation with equity and assets, it's not a guarantee of profitability, as indicated by moderate correlation with profit before tax. Employee count showed almost no correlation with profit margin, which was surprising, indicating that workforce size doesn't significantly affect profitability. Finally, net tangible asset and shareholders' funds are strongly correlated, suggesting that as a firm investing in assets, they tend to boost equity. This insight emphasizes that operational efficiency and cost management rather than scale alone play a pivotal role in financial health. In this slide, In this slide, I'm presenting positive correlation and negative correlation. The scatter graph describes the connection between turnover and number of employees select healthcare providing in positive correlation. And negative correlation, the scatter plot showing about display equation between the variable profit margin and net tangible asset with the belong to the selecting healthcare providers. To delve deeper, I conducted the case comparison between two providers, HKR and Cheston Park. The both models showed high R-square value indicating the fit well and however some variable like employee number asset had different impact of each models. For instance, HKR had slightly better model fit and showed negative various positive return assets compared to Cheston Park. This difference underscore the need of terror the strategic as no signal approach across all provide and firm specific factors significantly influence performance. To wrap up, this analysis highlights the increate the relationship between financial and operational factors in healthcare sector. The revenue and cost management are essential to maintaining financial health, while operating factors like patient volume and service significantly impact the outcomes. To, to thrive, the healthcare providers need to strategic planning, optimal resource use, the ongoing improvement to meet growing demand and maintain sustainability. In conclusion, by focusing on both financial and operational metrics, UK healthcare provider can better position themselves to deliver quantity care and achieve financial resilience. Finally, I would like to angle resource use in this presentation, including study on business analytics and healthcare financial management, which have informed our analysis and finding. These studies cover various aspects of data-driven discussion making, provide robust or foundation for understanding how analysts can be helpful effective in healthcare. Thank you.